So you live in the city of Irvine and you're looking for a mechanic. Francisco's Automotive. This is my shop and this is my garden. I love my garden. I've been, I spend here probably from 6 in the morning to 6 o'clock at night, and this gives me a lot of peace, my garden. Now let's talk about Subaru. Subaru has come a long ways. You know, they got their all-wheel drive car. They're making them better and better. Pretty safe car according to the commercial, and I kind of believe the commercial. They're a very safe car. You walk away from a Subaru in an accident more than any other vehicle. So if you live in the city of Irvine and you need a mechanic, I'm in the city of Huntington Beach. I'm only 10-15 minutes away. You need a ride home, we pick you up, we drop you off when we're done with the car. We specialize in electrical. I've been working in electrical since the 80s, electrical and air conditioning. But we do the easy stuff, the brakes and everything else. You can't do nothing without electrical anymore. I mean, the brakes are electrically driven. Everything is electrical nowadays. So if you own a Subaru and you need help, you live in the city of Irvine, Costa Mesa, give us a call, 714-375-2661. Give me a call with any automotive needs. Thank you for watching the video.